In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Trimble TDL450 from being a repeater to being a base radio and change the frequency. So we'll hit the right arrow until we get to our frequencies. There we go, and we're going to change it down to 464 because that's the frequency we want to use. It's at 464. Immediately I've changed it. You can see I'm no longer receiving signal. We go across to where it says repeater 1. You hit the up arrow until it says base rover, and we can select that. You can see the little star is there showing you selected. Hit right. We're going to change the RX sensitivity to low base, and then because we're using this little aerial over here, you could either use it on a half watt or 500 MW or 1 watt, which I've currently got it set at. If you're going to be using this cable over here, we can come up to 4 watts and we can set it. But I highly recommend that you don't do that if you're using this little aerial over here, and you set it rather on 1 watt or even half watt. And those are now the settings.